Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss on a magical performance of ISBLANK function to create a customizable unique ID of any of the particulars or attributes like serial number, customer ID, product ID, whatever it is. But before going in depth, let us see why it is unique and one of the rarest applications of ISBLANK function in Excel. We can apply ISBLANK function to generate the formula driven serial number and unique ID to minimize the time consumption of the manual work for the same. How? Let us see. If we give here the name, any of the name, for example, then only the customer IDs and serial number are coming accordingly. If it is blank, if the customer name is the blank, then definitely serial number and customer ID, these are not appearing. Why? Because if is blank function is working here. First of all, we have to create one database based on which we have to create the customer ID. We have to keep one thing on mind, that at the time of creating the master data, at that time customer ID will be generated, followed by the unique combination. Here we have taken one assumption, that is customer ID will be created based on one combination, that is GST registration type / region code has serial number. So before going in depth of creation of customer ID, we have to do one work on the serial number. What is this? Let us see. Here, serial number will be created automatically. How? We have to give one function, that is if is blank. First of all, if is blank, first bracket open, if the customer name cell is blank, then keep it blank, otherwise immediate first serial number plus 1, bracket close, enter. Here serial number is not appearing. Why? Because customer name is blank. If we give here some of the input, then customer name is coming. Sorry, serial number is appearing. So this is the main thing. So what is the voice of comment? Voice is telling that if customer cell is blank, then keep it blank. If customer cell is blank, then keep serial number blank, otherwise immediate first serial number, that is 1 plus 1, means incremental number will be generated. So here this is the voice of comment. When we will put the customer name, then serial number will come, otherwise serial number will not appear. So this is the main thing. So now let us come on the main motto of our discussion, that is how to create customizable customer ID. As per requirement, we have to customize the customer ID. Here we have taken this combination, that is GST registration type, region code and serial number. So here let us create. First of all, formula starts with equals to, you all know this, equals to, again if is blank, if first bracket open is blank, if is blank, which one is blank? Customer name is blank. If it is blank, then keep it blank, otherwise. Now let us put the comment based on the combination of the customer ID. So first of all, what will come? GST registration type. Select registration type, then AND, then followed by one separator, that is slash. slash, then again and, then what? Region code. Select region code, again and, followed by one separator, that is has, then again and is being used because to join the all the inputs together, and is being given. It is one linker we can tell, conjunction we can tell, whatever, and is acting. Anyway, then serial number, select it, then bracket close, then enter. So if we drag it, formula is not working. It is keeping blank. Why? Because here there is no customer name. So let us fetch the data from our main data sheet. Just I am copying to minimize the time consumption and put it here. See, automatically the serial number and all are appearing. What reason behind this? Reason is that the customer names have given on the particular cells. So here we have to see one thing. Here Subroto Khara, this is the customer name 2 times, but this customer is not identical. This is not same customer. Here look at the cell of the address. Here Subroto Khara, first one, he is from Howrah, and second one is from Kolkata. So identical customer name we can face at any time during the business. So to eliminate the confusion, unique code works to identify the particular one. This is the main function or utility of creation of customer ID.
Please be connected with us by subscribing our channel for getting this type of magical performance of the exceptional usage of the Excel. We know that Excel is an ocean, so for exploring, let us come together and discuss each other through comment. And please like if you like our video. Thank you.